So you've arrived on a campsite and the pitch is not level. This may seem trivial to many, but sleeping on unlevel ground, keeping doors closed, or even trying to use a fridge when not level can be problematic. Hi, I'm Alan from Caravan Information Services, and in this video we will share how to level a caravan.
There is a misconception that caravans use their corner steadies to level a caravan, but this is actually incorrect. Instead, the caravan is levelled in two separate processes. Firstly, from side to side by raising one wheel higher than the other, and then from front to back, raising or lowering the front of the caravan. Once the caravan is level, the corner steadies are lowered to steady the caravan from any movement. They support the caravan, but they don't lift it. To check that the caravan is level, you can use an inexpensive spirit level, an app on the phone, or a dedicated electronic device that detects the level of the caravan. A good place for checking the level of the caravan is on the floor, and not on the cabinets or the seats. So let's make a start. In order to raise the caravan, we would need some levelling equipment. The cheapest and the most popular method is to use a levelling ramp. There are many variations with levelling ramps, some with chocks, some with notches, and some which are designed for motorhomes. Single axle caravans only need one levelling ramp, while twin axles require two, one for each axle. Checking our spirit level, we can see that the caravan needs to be lifted on the left-hand side. So, placing the ramp in front of the wheel on the left-hand side of the caravan, we can move the caravan forward until the spirit level shows that we are level. You can move the caravan either with a motor mover or with a tow vehicle. If you've used the motor mover to level the caravan, a top tip is to now chock the wheels once the caravan is level and apply the handbrake before disengaging the motor movers. When using a mover, the caravan can suddenly lurch to one side when disengaging the motor mover. An important note here is don't reverse up the levelling ramp. Because the way the caravan brakes work, the caravan does not have any braking power when moving backwards. Instead, brakes are only available when travelling forwards. So if you reverse the caravan up the ramp, the caravan may roll forward once the vehicle is disconnected or the motor movers are disengaged, even if the handbrake is applied. Now the side-to-side axis is level, it's time to adjust the front and back, and for this we use the jockey wheel. Reposition the spirit level to show front to back, and a good place for this is in the door frame. Adjust the height of the front of the caravan by raising or lowering the jockey wheel until the spirit level shows we're level. Once done, lower the corner steadies until they are firmly on the ground. Try not to over-tighten the corner steadies, as this can unlevel the caravan and cause excessive bounce if one corner is tighter than the others. And that's it, the caravan is now level. Levelling ramps are a quick and affordable way of getting the caravan level, but if you're applying the Alco Wheel Secure, this can be problematic when aligning the receiver. In this case, products such as the Lock and Level are a good alternative. These are drive-on air sacs that inflate to raise one side of the caravan, allowing you to align the wheel lock first, then raise the side of the caravan. Another product worth considering is the Malenko aluminium leveller. This cradles the tyre and a ratchet system raises the frame, providing accurate level.
That's it for now. We hope you have found this video useful. Check out the other help and advice videos in the services on our website. And while you're there, why not join the UK's fastest growing caravan and motorhome community? We offer great membership perks, including live chat support with an engineer for specialist and emergency advice. Hope to see you soon. Happy caravanning.